Are you looking for some Valentine gift ideas that you can give the book lover in your life? Well, I have a few ideas that I'm gonna show you today. Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and on this channel is where I research, I study, I share, and I teach all things crochet. So at the end of this video, if you have found it to be helpful, will you please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I have crocheted these myself, so I am not just going to be putting pictures up on the screen. So to get started, I crocheted this beautiful book sleeve. It's in the shape of an envelope. It's closed with a button underneath this heart. And this is made with all half double crochets. You can also do it in single crochet or double crochet, but I find that the half double crochet is just perfect so that you end up getting a nice clean pattern without having a tight stitch or without having too many holes. So let me show you a little bit about this book sleeve. Like I said, it has a button closure. And it's the perfect size for any hardcover book. It has plenty of room so that you can actually put a much thicker book inside of this book sleeve. Just to show you, I have a normal size hardcover book. This book is a 300-page book. And you just simply slide it just as easy as can be into the book sleeve. Close it with the button, and it's beautiful. Set it on the nightstand, on the coffee table until the next time that the book is to be read. I think that this is a perfect gift for anyone that loves to read for Valentine's Day. And to go along with this sleeve, of course you need a bookmark. This bookmark is 5 crocheted hearts that are joined together. It is a very, very easy pattern. I will go ahead and I will link the tutorial that I found online for this perfect little bookmark. And it just is the perfect pair to go together for a gift. Now, for the second idea for a book cover, rather than a book sleeve, you can actually make an actual book cover where the cover slides in this fold on either side, just like a regular book cover. This one I made all in double crochets and single crochets. And then these are just cute little heart appliques that I also have a tutorial for. And then you just go ahead and you just attach them to the bookcase. And then again, to go and make a perfect pair with this book cover is this matching bookmark. This one is the same as the red bookmark, only you alternate colors as you go to join your hearts. And again, it is the perfect pair for a gift. And I just wanted to show you that it is very easy to take this off. Just like the book sleeve was easy, just to slide the book right out. So that if you can't decide on what book to buy to put into this book cover or the book sleeve, but you know that you really want to give this as a gift, then the alternative is you would make this little tiny envelope with this little heart on the front, and it has a little snap closure, and put a gift card inside to give along with your book sleeve and your bookmark. Only the book wouldn't be inside the book sleeve. And then you would have this cute little matching gift card holder with a gift card inside for them to purchase the book of their choice. I mean, I think that is just a wonderful idea. So those are the ideas that I had for the book lover for Valentine's Day. Throw your comments down below. Let me know if you have decided to crochet one of those, and if you have any other ideas, throw them at me. And until next time, bye.